Good morning, everyone. It's currently 7:51 in the a.m. This is day 2 in Houston. Off rip, woke up to some rain. It's just steady throwing me off. But it's okay though. We had plans to go to the water park. We had plans to go to the cloud column, but I had to switch things around this morning. So I woke up and kind of had to rearrange my list a little bit, some of the things that were scheduled for today got moved to tomorrow, so I'm not really tripping though. But instead of me just letting the day go by, I still got things to do. My plan for today, go get breakfast, get these crusty dusty nails done, go back over by Kroger, that area, that whole area right there. It's good for pictures and stuff, so I'm gonna go get some pictures done today. Plan on trying from barbecue, alright, Texas barbecue. Today we're gonna do that, because why not? We're here in Texas, we need barbecue. And then last on my list, go hit post again for that magical sunset. So yeah guys, if you're ready for this video, alright, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up because it's gonna be epic. Epic day 2. Comment down below your favorite part and stay tuned for more. Yes, Jace. Yeah, I just got done. I was in the house all the way until 5. Got so caught up in editing that video, it just took up my whole day. So still got the day left. And right now, I'm hungry, so we're gonna go to Post. There's another thing that I have to do. Let's take a look at my list. Go back over there by Kroger, where the Hollywood is. We got the pit room for barbecue, and then we got Post. So yes, guys, I'm hungry right now. We're gonna head over to the pit room. I'm gonna try Texas barbecue for the very first time ever. Yay! So yeah, I can't wait. It's only 5 minutes down the street. See what else I can get into. But other than that, that's pretty much it so far. Like I said, I was inside, got caught up in the video, so that's my fault. But yeah, guys, I'll see you when we get to the pit room. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we are. The pit room, we made it. We're about to try Texas barbecue for the first time. Yeah, and I mean for the first time. I came all the way out to Texas, about to try it. They say this is one of the ones. This is one of the spots right here. So we're about to check it out, see what the hype is. If you like this video though, give it a big thumbs up. You know what to do. Comment down below your favorite part and let me know, will you be going to Texas to try some barbecue? Let me know. Let's go inside. All right, guys, made it back to my seat. It wasn't as bad. I got the food. Good little water. Hold on. God, thank you for this moment. Thank you for this food. Amen. Yes, sir, ski. So yes, guys, we are here at the Pit Barbecue. This is my first time having a barbecue, so we're about to see how it tastes. All right, gotta get my pictures in. Yeah, let me move you out the way. You move in the picture. First day, go. All right, guys, I got all my pictures in. I got all my pictures. Now we're about to take the first bite. Oh, I didn't even get no silverware. Oh, Lord. I'll be right back. I gotta get some silverware. I go get it. All right, guys, got me fork. All right, first things first, we're gonna try the mac and cheese, okay? Okay. Do I have showcase mode on? Bet. Let's do it. No. Nah. Oh no. Absolutely not. I'm gonna give that a 4. Like, ugh. I'm gonna eat it, because guess what? I paid for it. That part. Let's do green bean. 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 This shit bust. Whoa. Green beans, solid. Now we got the brisket. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at that brisket. First, of course, let's try it without the sauce. Oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, damn. Dip it in that sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm like, bro, that looks so good. You good. Oh. Oh my God. If this is what love is like, sign me up. Because your girl's in love. But yeah, that's good. Man, it's really good. Really, really good. That was crazy talk. All right, guys, yeah. It's just really, really good. Like, wow. I definitely recommend this to the crew. So, all right, guys. Finna fuel up. And then next time you should see me, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Deuces. I don't know about you guys, hey, but this is nice right here. You're in Texas, but you're in California at the same time, literally, like, no joke. Walking down here, that's what it feels like. I like this a lot. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Alright guys, I've been shooting a lot of footage over here, just really taking in the scenery over here at Post Houston. The vibes are amazing right now, okay? I can't lie, like immaculate even. Like this is by far the craziest view I've ever seen in my life, okay? It don't get no better than this, you feel me? So I'm out here, what time is it? It's 21:30. I'll leave here at 10, get back to the crib, edit, see what I have, and then just prepare for tomorrow. But yeah, the vibes are crazy. Like this is just so crazy. Yeah, I really enjoy myself. Like this is awesome. I'm glad I kind of came out here early kind of just to see the scenery, because if I would have waited and pretty much made it all about DreamCom, I probably would have been pissed. Such an awesome experience so far in Houston. I love it. So awesome. Day 2 in the books. I pretty much woke up, got caught editing, but it's okay. Still went out, got my nails did, ate some cool barbecue, met some DreamCon goers, came back, went to the California side of Texas. Now we're back here at Post, just taking it all in.